Hey, y'all, hope you're having a wonderful day. We've got some exciting news for you. We're sitting here eating lunch and wanted to tune you all in for this. We just received a video from a guy in Louisiana. His name is Max. And just like a lot of you all that we talk to on here, we've been talking to him for a while now, probably a good 2-3 months. And he has watched just about everything we have produced. And in doing so, he's been leading up to do one for himself, his first one ever. And we are so very proud of Max, man. He just made our day. He shot us over this video, his first time ever, just from watching these videos we put out. And we can't wait to show you guys. So take the next minute here and check out what he did. This is super awesome. Check it out.
Well, my first one is definitely not perfect, but it came out pretty freaking awesome still. Like I said, you know, the piece of wood I started out with was too thin. That's obvious. And then my buddy's planer, thought he had new blades on it, but, you know, he's 74 and getting senile. So we had some bad snipe marks, and that's why we ended up so thin. But overall, I love it, man. I ended up just doing a flood coat on top. Didn't really mess with the back because, like I said, I had some leaks. I didn't seal off some of the peck spots properly. But other than that, thank y'all for everything y'all showed me. And next time, I will 100% follow each step to the T, just like he said. So, thanks again. And you can use this video however you feel like it. But thanks, Eric. Thanks, Tom. Goodbye.
Now, I'll tell you this right now. Our first one didn't look nothing close to what Max just did, man. I mean, that was so solid. Such a wonderful looking piece. And all those little details that he's now caught and, you know, is working on next time. It's just going to keep getting better and better for him. So, kudos to Max. We couldn't be happier for you, brother. Appreciate, you know, tuning in and everything like that. And we're truly glad that this helped you in your journey. Amongst some other people that we are actually waiting on at the moment as well. They're doing their first time pieces as well. So just all in all, great. Couldn't be happier. That's what these videos are for. So we're glad it helped somebody all the way in Louisiana from Kentucky. I mean, that's awesome. It don't get no better than that. So we really appreciate everybody for tuning in. Y'all please give Max a big shout out. Awesome, fantastic job. And we'll be getting back to our flood coat tonight on our staircase handrail over there. So until the next one, we'll see you guys back real soon.